Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to log into Chatgpt without phone number. So as you can see, if you go to chatgpt.com, it will bring you to the login interface where you'll be asked to log in or either sign up. Now, to sign up, that is for those who don't have an account. If you want to sign up for an account, you just click on sign up and then you'll be directed to put your phone number, your email, your phone number, then you create an account and you'll be able to log in. However, if you already have an account, you want to log in, and you don't want to use a phone, you don't want to use your phone number, you want to use only your email. This is how to do it. So when you click on login, there are two things. You may be asked to put your email address. And then when you put email address and continue, it will ask you for password. However, there is even an option that you can log in without even using a password. So you just come and click on continue with Google. So if you are already logged into your Google account, just click with continue with Google. So you select your Google account that you used to register for the you use when you were signing up for ChatGPT. So it will just log you in. So you have logged into ChatGPT without using your phone number. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.